Hello YouTube, Jeremy Patrick Martin here, and I've had people ask me how do I turn my Chromebook into a video production studio. And the trick is plug and play. Plug and play are devices that'll plug directly into your Chromebook that you don't have to download a driver or a codec or anything like that for. It's literally you plug it in and you play it. And I also use Screencastify. And I take Screencastify once you've got, and I pay for the yearly subscription on it so I can get the full program, the full usage, and I can do my screenshot videos with these, and then I do let's do webcam only. And if you can see where it's already picking up my microphone with that green line going up and down, and you select what you want. You can do the internal mic or the mic that I have in my webcam, but I'm using the Yeti stereo microphone. And this is you can use the built-in webcam or the stream webcam that's 1080 HD, and then I just hit record, and it opens up the entire screen. And it gives me a 10-second countdown. I can stop and pause what I want. And once it hits 0, it is now recording. And I'll say, hey, YouTube, what's up? And as you can see, I can move the pieces around. And once I'm done, I just stop it. And then it should automatically start uploading to my drive. And then once it's fully uploaded to my drive, I go to the editor, and then I could I hit the blue button right there, and it opens up the video that I want, and I can cut it and paste it, and I can upload other videos and add inside of it, and like stock video footage and stuff like that. But anyways, that's how I do it. Plug and play through Screencastify will turn your Chromebook into a video production center. All right, my brothers and sisters, Google on.